Hi, this is my submission for Professor Neal's ATTR 362 class at Indiana State University. This is the early ticket number 4 assignment. So, with 75% of the semester left, I am trying to put my grades into perspective. I am not doing horrible, but I am not where I want to be, so I am trying not to panic. I am in a sorority in RA, and I am participating in a lot of homecoming events, so it's been kind of difficult to find extra time at least, to dedicate to my studies, and it's not just for this class. I am confused about why the exam is only worth 12.5 points. I haven't looked over the syllabus, like, for points-wise since the beginning of the semester, so it just kind of makes me feel like it's going to be a little bit difficult to raise my grade. I also feel as though some of what was on the exam might not have been mentioned in the review, or it was kind of reviewed quickly, and I didn't get the impression that I would have that I should have focused more on those topics, but that is just my observation. However, I know that it is my job as a student to ask questions beforehand and to prepare myself better. This past exam, I prepared by taking notes in the review lecture, reviewing what we covered immediately after the review, and then studying for a couple hours a few days before the exam. I did think that this would be sufficient, but I was wrong. I remember in the exam I kind of had difficulty focusing, just because some of the questions, like, I was like, I don't remember reviewing this. Like, I remember talking about it in lecture, but I didn't remember, that it would have been on the exam or something, if that makes sense. So I ended with a C in the exam, and while that's not failing, it's difficult for me to see that grade. I need a good grade in this class, and that's my goal. I want to get a high B or an A. Striving for A. So my study plan for this semester. Find more time. I need to prioritize my classes. I have class and work from 9 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. on Mondays, 7:30 to 11:30 on Tuesdays, 9 to 11:30 on Wednesdays, 11 to 3:30 on Thursdays, and 9 to 5 on Fridays. Now, don't worry, I do have a few hours in between those times on some of these days, like on Tuesdays from 4 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. I do have a break there, but it's in these in-between hours that I need to focus. And I can also dedicate morning hours on the weekend to working on my classes. And this is all that I could think of to improve my study habits at this point in the semester. So I'm excited to hear your feedback. Bye.